Going to the beach for a run.
Did you go to the beach to go for a run?
Yes, I went to the beach early this morning.
How was it?
It was great, but it was a bit windy.
Did you manage to run the whole way?
Yes, and I felt amazing afterward.
Going to the supermarket for weekly shopping.
Did you go to the supermarket to do your weekly shopping?
No, I didn't go to the supermarket today.
Why not? Don't you need groceries?
I ordered them online instead, it's easier.
That makes sense. Did everything arrive on time?
Yes, it was very convenient.
Going to the library to study.
Did you go to the library to study for your exams?
Yes, I went to the library this afternoon.
Did you get a lot done?
Not really, it was too noisy today.
That's unusual for a library.
I know, I'll try again tomorrow.
Going to the train station for a train to London.
Did you go to the train station to get the train to London?
No, I didn't go to the train station. I decided to drive instead.
Was the drive okay?
It was fine, but traffic was a bit heavy.
I guess it's easier than waiting for a train.
Exactly, it worked out better for me.
Going to the airport for a flight.
Did you go to the airport to get your flight?
Yes, I went there early in the morning.
How was the flight?
It was delayed by an hour, but everything else was fine.
That's frustrating. At least you got there safely.
True, that's what matters.
Going to the ice cream shop.
Did you go to the ice cream shop to get some ice cream?
No, I didn't go to the ice cream shop today.
That's a shame. I thought you were craving ice cream.
I was, but I decided to have some fruit instead.
That's a healthier choice for sure.
Yeah, but I still want ice cream later.
Going to the restaurant for dinner.
Did you go to a restaurant to have something for dinner?
Yes, I went to a nice Italian restaurant last night.
How was the food?
It was amazing. I had the best pasta I've ever tasted.
That sounds delicious. Did you go with friends?
Yes, it was a great evening.
Going to the park to relax.
Did you go to the park to relax and talk to your friend on the phone?
Yes, I went to the park for some fresh air.
Was it peaceful there?
Very peaceful. It was nice to catch up with my friend.
That sounds like a lovely way to spend the day.
It really was.
Going to the car park to park.
Did you go to the car park to park your car?
No, I didn't go to the car park. I parked on the street instead.
Was it easy to find a spot?
Surprisingly, yes. It was right in front of the building.
That's lucky. Street parking can be tough sometimes.
I know, I got lucky today.
Going to the church to pray.
Did you go to church to pray to God?
Yes, I went to church this morning.
How was it?
It was peaceful. I always feel better afterward.
That's good. It's nice to have that sense of calm.
Exactly.